These are the best phone farming applications of all time. I've been part of the phone farming community for years and I've seen some great applications come and go. In this video, I'll be discussing the best phone farming applications of all time, some new and some old, and then I'll discuss what made them so great and how much money you could make per device on each application. Hey everyone, it's Dan from SidehustleReliance. On our channel, our aim is to help the online money making community find new and exciting ways to profit using our PCs and our smartphones. Over the past 3 years, I've actually managed to make a decent chunk of money through phone farming, despite the major consensus being that phone farming is no longer a decent side hustle and it's not worth doing. In this video, I'll be diving into some of the best phone farming applications, new and old, and I'll be sharing what made them effective, and I'll be showcasing why phone farming is constantly evolving. If you think phone farming is dead, think again. One of my favourite all-time applications has to be Skedadle. It was a location-based rewards app that let you earn money by simply just playing games. But here's the kicker, the application was designed so that you actually played games on public transport like trains or buses, and you actually got paid for it. But the thing is, you didn't really have to play games or even leave your home to earn. It was very simple to use. All you needed to do was just sign up and then install an auto clicker. It was that simple. Set the auto clicker to click every 5 seconds and that could net you £2 per day per device, with some people actually running this on 5 or 6 different accounts at once to stack their earnings. Unfortunately, at the end of the application's life, Skedadle did start to ban everyone on the application, and they blamed it on people using fake GPS data or not engaging with the application properly. Obviously, on SidehustleReliance, we are all about engaging with the applications as correct as possible, and we definitely didn't automate the application.
Did he just wink?
Skedadle eventually did shut down for good in 2023, and their website is now unlisted and gone forever. But in the 6 months of running this application, I actually managed to make over £434 just from this one application alone on one account. It was one hell of an application while it lasted. One of my favourite applications for phone farming, which still exists today, is known as Ember Fund. It lets you virtually mine Bitcoin on the go on your phone without doing any damage to your device. It's all done virtually. Just make sure when you actually sign up for Ember Fund, you are using someone's referral code. That's because you actually get a 6 times boost, increasing your rate from 1 Satoshi an hour to 6 Satoshis an hour, which is a massive difference. If you haven't signed up already, I've actually left my link in the description to sign up for Ember Fund. Getting started on Ember Fund is so easy, so once you've actually logged in, simply click Start Earning Bitcoin, you'll watch a short ad, and there you go, you'll actually have activated the mining, and you'll be mining for the next 24 hours totally passively. Then Ember Fund will actually remind you after those 24 hours to continue mining again. It's that simple. If you want to scale Ember Fund up even further and actually have it run on multiple devices, you can do that, but you need to follow these steps. Make sure you use separate IP addresses for each device. I find SIM cards work best for this. Never refer yourself, always use someone else's referral sign-up code. Stagger mining times across all your devices to stay under the radar. And here's the best exciting part. Since this application is linked to Bitcoin, if BTC ever hits $1 million, that means you can earn up to $25 a day in passive income if you actually max out your referrals per device. That is absolutely crazy, and that's what I'm hoping for. Mode Music, formerly known as Current Music, is a passive application that rewards users for listening to music, playing games, and answering surveys on the platform. What made Mode Music really appealing was the ability to use auto clickers to automate the ad watching process to continuously earn passively on the app. While the application still exists today, it has significantly restricted phone farming usage, making it far less profitable and not worth using. At its peak, users could earn around 60 cents per day on Mode Music. THX is an audio data sharing application designed for audio data monetization. It's still available today and remains one of the easiest ways to generate passive income from your phone. Simply download the application, sign in with your phone number, and leave it running in the background. You don't even need to interact with it at all. Each device can actually earn you around 50 cents per day, making it a hassle-free way to earn some easy cash. For me personally, I actually do cash out £10 per device every single month on THX. Before I actually got into phone farming, there was an application called PerkTV, a rewards application that paid users to simply watch videos. You could install the application and it would automatically play videos for you, allowing you to earn some easy cash with little to no effort. Some people ran 50 to 60 phones at once since Perk didn't even care at all. Everyone was making money and Perk was happy with that. On average, users earn around 25 cents per day per device. But some people were actually easily making above $300 to $400 a month by running PerkTV on multiple devices. Unfortunately, PerkTV was shut down in 2019 after being acquired by influence mobile, and actually did influence a lot of users in the phone farming community to move on and sell their devices.
Now we're leaving.
Those are the 5 best phone farming applications of all time in my opinion. Some new and some old. The great thing about phone farming though, there's constantly new applications coming into the space, as well as there's some really great applications like Ember Fund, THX, and even CoinApp, which still exists today. The thing is about phone farming is, there's still plenty of great applications out there, some which I haven't even had time to cover yet on this channel, so keep your eyes peeled for that. If you are interested in the best phone farming applications beyond these 5, please let me know and I'll do a part 2. Also, what was your favourite phone farming application of all time? Please let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give a like, it'll be greatly appreciated. On screen right now is my 2 news videos, and I'll catch you guys real soon.
I happen to know for a fact that Edvard turned down an offer of unlimited money to finance a worldwide recital tour of his own, and I can get him a dozen more offers like that.